back to my channel Makeup Memoirs by Priyamvada. If you're watching this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Priyamvada and I make majorly beauty related content on this channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, although I know I've just started very recently, but I wish and hope to go a long way. So just subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and without any delay, get into the video. Now, as you must have already read from the title, this is going to be a Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. So there was, a very big sale that was live on Nykaa a few days back, and I think till 27th of July, I suppose, and they had like some really great offers on both luxury and your drugstore brands. There were some freebies that they were giving away and a lot of other stuff. So I happened to shopped from the sale. There's nothing new about it, but yes, such sales are the best time to shop or invest in the products that you keep on thinking about buying the most of the times and do not end up buying them. So these sales are the best time to go for such products. And I also wanted to try some products that I wouldn't buy otherwise because they are pretty expensive, but in the sale I did try my hands on these products, and I would want to share all the purchase that I made from the Hot Pink sale. Although I've not shopped a lot, but yes, it's like all the products that I really have been wanting to try for a long time. So let me now just begin with showing you the products. Also, I've tried a few of them, some of them I'm yet to try. So the ones that I've already tried, I will give you like mini reviews of those products as well. And yes, let me just start with the first purchase that I made. Alright, so the first thing that I want to share with you all is this Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. So this is by Farsali. Who doesn't know this brand, right? I had really been wanting to try this particular serum as I had watched one of Malvika Sitlani's video and she raved about this product quite a lot. And if you don't know by now, I'm a sucker for radiant dewy looking makeup, so I really wanted to try this one particularly. That is how the bottle looks. This is a 10 ml packaging. This is the mini version of it. They have a bigger packaging that's like pretty darn expensive, I would say. So that is why, just for trial purpose, I went for this 10 ml bottle. It's a normal glass bottle with your dropper here. I have tried this serum today under my base, and let me tell you, I'm sure that whatever claims Malvika made, the reason why she hyped about this product in the video were legit. Guys, this really made my makeup look so dewy and beautiful and flawless. My foundation sat so beautifully over this serum, and this really makes a difference. It does not feel sticky at all. It feels like a normal serum and still gives a beautiful finish. I'm yet to try it a few more times. This was just the first time that I tried it, and it's really quick to be able to give my final thoughts on it. But from first try, I definitely feel that I did not make any mistake in investing in this one. This retails for 1750 rupees, and this is going to last me a long time. You do not need more than a few drops, say a drop or two, and this will last a long time for sure. So yes, this purchase I'm really happy about. Now next up is another product by the House of Farsali. This one is kind of a limited edition. This is their Daydream kind of a kit. This is as I told you, it was exclusively available on Nykaa only. This is their Daydream kit, which has 3 different 5 ml bottles of their different serums. First is the prime base, the second one is the blur version, and the last one is the soothe version. These 3 bottles is what you get inside this packaging. This again retails for 1750 rupees. And for 1750 you get, if we count all the 3 bottles, you get 15 ml product. And although these are different serums, I haven't tried this one, but I'm already a fan of these tiny little bottles that they come in. That's how that one looks. These, as I told you, are 5 mls each. This one is their Unicorn Essence. The black one is their Volcanic Elixir. This is a soothing version. And this sky blue one is their Skin Tune Blur. So this is like a primer, the blurring primer. And these three essences I'm yet to try. I haven't tried them, but yes, if you wish to try their various variants of serums and want to decide for yourselves as to which one you want to go for, you can definitely go. And now I don't know if this is available or not, but I think that this was a smart purchase. I am absolutely happy about it, but yes, I'm yet to try and see how these three perform on my skin. After Farsali, the next product that I made was from Smashbox. This is the first product that I got from Smashbox. This is their always on mini matte duo. So this particular one was retail. So this particular one retails for 990 rupees and it was available as a set. This has two mini liquid lipsticks by Smashbox. One of them is in the shade Boss and the second one is in the shade Gulabe. And they have even given the description of the colors. One's a red and the other one is a cool rose. So the shade Gulabe is exclusively available in India only, and I think again, just to try the kind of lipsticks that they are, and if they're good, if you want to invest in a full size lipstick, you can go ahead and buy the full sized one later on. But I think even their mini sized lipsticks are like, big enough. I don't remember finishing, a full tube of a liquid lipstick ever. So I think this is a good enough size. And the shade, I'll just swatch it for you on my hand. That's Gulabe. This is as explained. This is a cool toned rose pink color. I think this is a beautiful color. Will look beautiful on lighter skin tones majorly, or even medium skin tones can wear this. And the other one is like a deep red. This is the shade Boss, and that's how the shade Boss looks. It matches my nail paint. Okay, that's how the shade Boss looks, and that's Gulabe. So both of these lipsticks I've tried once. They are pretty soft on the lips. They are velvety in the texture, not drying at all. Although I did not wear it for too long, so I cannot really comment on the lasting power of these, but I'm sure they must be, long lasting, since that is how they are marketed. So I really love both the shades, and for 990 rupees, this is a great purchase. Now Smashbox had an offer running at that time that if you buy their products for more than 1900 rupees, then you get a few mini size samples. So I went ahead and made another purchase from Smashbox. This is their primer water set and refresh spray. This is a photo finish version. Now this one is an iconic product. Like, this is a favorite of many out there, and that is why I also really wanted to try this one. This is kind of a spray that you can use as a primer before putting your makeup on, or even in between to refresh your makeup, to set your makeup. So that is how this one looks. It's a clear bottle with a black lid and a pump inside. This is a 30 ml bottle, and this retailed for 990 rupees. So my purchase went up 1900 rupees. This one I've not yet tried, so I cannot really comment on how this works, but this is like one of the best selling products of Smashbox, so I'm sure that this will work great. Now whenever I try it, I will keep you guys updated on if this is worth the money that I've spent for it. Again, this is a mini version. There is a bigger version of this one, so if you wish to try, then this would be a great purchase. Now since my purchase, as I told you, went up 1900 rupees, there I have received like a few minis from them, and they are really mini. So this is their Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, primer plus moisturizer in one. I've got two bottles, I think, of the same product, I suppose. Yes, it's the same product, and I've got two bottles, two mini bottles of this product. Again, haven't given this a try, so cannot say on how that one is. But again, this is also one of the great selling products of this brand, and I'm really excited to try these on. Then I got another primer, mini primer by them. This is their Oil and Shine Control Primer. This is the second primer, the Oil and Shine Control one. This is 7 mls, which is quite a lot, I think, for a mini freebie from Smashbox especially. So this is that thing that I got for free. Now these are the 3 products that I got for free from this offer that was running now. Ankita Coralista blog, as you all must have heard about her, a very famous Indian blogger. So Ankita, on her stories the day before, I think the Hot Pink sale, had put up a coupon code which was her own I think affiliate coupon code, which if you put, you get another freebie from Smashbox on this offer, and that was an amazing deal, I believe. So I even got their super fan fanned out mascara. That's how it looks, and I know you must not be able to see. That's how it looks. That is the one that it comes with. Alright, so coming to the next purchase that I made is this one. This is the K Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. That is how the packaging looks. This is their setting powder. I got it in the variant banana. They have different shades, but I got this one since this is kind of a yellow tone powder, and it really helps in brightening up your under eyes if you wish to set them with the powder. Rupees $7.99, but of course I got it on a discount, so I think there was a 30 or 25% off going on this one. But I'm really happy with this purchase of mine again. Now next up, I also got a pair of lashes by Pack Cosmetics. I know you can't see the lashes because I'm wearing them right now, and that is how the lashes look. This is from their Pro range, so this one's in the variant Pack Pro 05. Absolutely loved the lashes. Now what is different in these lashes from the others that I've tried from Pack is that the lash band is really thin, so you cannot see the lash band on your eyelids, even if you do not cover it up with an eyeliner or a kajal or anything. And this one retails for rupees 375 rupees, and I totally love this product. Pack lashes I've always been a fan of, and you can definitely go and give this one a shot if you want to try false lashes for the first time. I don't think there's a better quality at a better price than Pack. So that was that. After that, I also ordered just one little product from Nykaa. You can clearly see that I've been obsessed with minis, okay? This is by Nykaa. This is their mini So Matte mini lipstick in the shade Devious Pink. Yes, 03M Devious Pink. This one is 1.5 grams. That is how the lipstick looks. It's a black bullet. You open it and that's your product. A mini lipstick. You can see I've been obsessed with minis lately, and the shade kind of looks like that. That's like a lighter soft pink shade, and I really like the shade. Again, I've tried this one as well. Very comfortable on the lips and definitely worth going for. These, even if you do not get them on sales, are a great way to buy lipstick. If you think that you will not get done with a bigger packaging, you can go and invest in these minis, and you can buy more shades than just one. Now the next product that I got from Nykaa is this kajal pencil that I had shown you people the same kajal pencil in my previous Nykaa haul, which was in the brown variant. This is like a purplish violet shade. This again I've tried and used in today's makeup look only, and that is how that looks. This is like a deep smoked kind of a violet color, and this has little sparkles in it, so it really looks very pretty, even on the lower lash line. So I really like this product. I've tried this. This is a purchase that I had been wanting to make for quite some time, and I got it in the sale. The next up, I got a few products from L18. I got their 3 lipsticks. This is like an age-old product. This one is their Colourpops matte. I think all 3 are from the Colourpops matte range only, yes. And the shades that I've got are Rose Day. I have bought quite a lot of pink shades this time. That's Rose Day. Quite similar to this one by Nykaa, but this is like a more of a glossy finish and brighter than that one. That was Rose Day for you. And then the next shade that I got is Pink Kiss. Although this is more like a mauvey pink, not exactly like a bright pink, but again a very subtle, very nice shade, will look beautiful on medium skin tones. Then the next one is Pink Spice, all pink, but this one does not look any where near to even pink. This is like a brown lipstick, and I don't understand. This has happened earlier also with L18. Why do they name the shades not symbolizing the shade that they are? I don't know if that made sense or not, but that's how that one looks. Although it does have like slight undertones of pink, but that is again like a nudie brown pink, I would say. Doesn't go with the name, I would say, but yes, beautiful shades, all three. Now these I got, I think, for 75 bucks or something. No, actually the thing is that these retail for 100 rupees, but I got these for 75 rupees. They have like written 100 and then crossed it and written 75. Now out of these three lipsticks, I only ordered two, and there was some scheme going on L18 as well, so I got one variant free, but I'm not sure which shade. I anyway loved like all three shades, and these lipsticks I worn a lot during my college days. And if you don't want to spend a lot in buying a lipstick but still want a variety of shades, you can definitely go and check these out. They do last like quite some time and are very, very comfortable on the lips. And then again, L18 was running an offer wherein if you make a purchase of a certain amount, then you get a freebie, and this is another freebie that I got from them. This is their L18 nail pops. This is their nail paint, and this again is also a very pretty pink color. I have again used this, liked it. I have used it in the past also. Next up is my very first purchase from this brand. This is the Dear Darling tint by Etude House. Look at the packaging, guys. That's literally like a popsicle. Now when you open the cardboard packaging and pop this out, that's how the lip tint this is a lip tint, okay? That's how it looks, and it is literally a mini popsicle. You open it here, that's your applicator, that's the wand of the lip tint here. I hope you can see that. Now the shade that I got this in is RD306, and this one retails for 450, but I got this on a discount. I had been meaning to buy this one for quite some time, but then I got the lip tint by The Face Shop, and after that was finished totally, then I went for this one. This is like a deep red color, but looks really beautiful. I'm wearing this as my blusher. I don't know if you can tell it in the video, but it gives a very, very nice and natural flush to you on your lips and your cheeks both. I'll swatch it right here. That's how the lip tint looks, and once you kind of blend the product in, it looks really natural. And yeah, for that no makeup kind of a look, if you don't want to try a lot in making your face look presentable, just go ahead with this one. Dab a little bit of this on your cheeks and on your lips, and you're good to go. You can then amp your look up or down. You can even wear it with a full face. Like I just told you, I'm wearing this on my cheeks as a blusher today, so you can apply a bit more and then dab it in. It's a beautiful product, non-sticky, and this one particularly is not like a lot of other lip tints that I've tried. They are watery in texture once you put it on the lips, but this one somehow has a, I wouldn't say moussey texture also, but somewhere in between the moussey and watery texture. So this is really comfortable and in fact hydrating on your lips. So I really like this one, totally a fan of it. I will try more colors from this range. That was that. Now coming to the next purchase that I made is this one single lipstick that I got from The Face Shop. And one thing that I was really surprised to see was that there is no branding whatsoever on the lipstick, like anywhere. That's just like a white plain packaging. Yes, you do have the shade name here, but there are no signs of branding in any other manner, which is not something that I've seen with any brand for that matter. Even an L18 lipstick that's for 75 rupees has some kind of sticker or something on it, but nevertheless, this is the lipstick that I got from the Flower Beauty. This is in the shade Naked Blush. This is a matte lipstick. Although when I applied it, it is not totally matte. This is like a creamy, nice moussey matte. And I actually wanted to buy another shade from this. The Spiced Petal, I guess, was the shade that I really wanted to buy, because that is supposedly a dupe of one of the best selling lipsticks by Charlotte Tilbury. So I really wanted to try that one, but since I did not get it, the second best shade that I felt would be was this one. That's how that looks. This is light for my skin tone, because if I wear it just by itself, it does wash me out. It doesn't look good whatsoever, but that's the shade there. And I'm wearing this on my lips today, but I'm wearing it with a darker color lip liner. That is why it looks beautiful. Like if you pair it up with a dark brown, deep brown lip liner, or even like a deep pink lip liner, this is going to look beautiful. Love the formula of the lipstick, although this one is a little expensive. It retails for $8.65, not $8.95. Yes, it's expensive, but I bought it because I wanted to try this one. Once we are out of that, the last purchase from the Hot Pink sale is a skincare product, the only skincare product that I got, and that is this toner by Dermafique. That's how it looks. I really like the packaging. Okay, this is not something usual that you get for toners. This is the Dermafique Cell by Cell all important skin toner, clarifying toner that cleanses pores, restores skin's pH balance, and purifies skin to make it smooth and radiant. This I got on recommendation of Shreya Jain. She had really raved about this product in one of her videos. That is why I went ahead and bought this one, and I must say it has been working well. So with toners, I kind of have a love and hate relationship. I've tried quite a few of them, but none of them has actually, shown a visible difference on my skin, except a few of them, but I've never been like blown away by any toner till now. But this one by Dermafique has really, made my skin feel a way that stands out from the other experiences that I've had with other toners. So I've really been enjoying this, but it's not been a lot of time, so I cannot really give my final thoughts on it. As I always say, I would want to use a product over a period of time and then make up my mind if I will recommend it to you or not. But I have been using it for, I would say, 4 to 5 days now, and yes, I like this toner, but let me see over a period of say 20 to 25 days if I still feel the same about this one. So that was the last product that I got in the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So now guys, that was all that I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, but I also want to mention 2 products that I got like just I guess a day or 2 before the Hot Pink sale, but I would still want to mention them here because I cannot make like a full-fledged video for them. I did not really recheck if these products were available during the Hot Pink sale, but I would still want to mention because this I got when the sale was not there. So these are the 2 palettes that I got. These were on an offer. These were below 1,000 rupees for both the palettes. These are by Makeup Revolution. One of them is in the variant Marvelous Mattes and the other one is in the variant Hypnotic. That is how they look. Very different from each other. One's like a full-blown colorful palette and the other one is really, really nude. I really like both these palettes. I've done a few looks using these and I highly recommend you buying these. And if you get like a duo like this one, for around 995 rupees, which I also got, go ahead and buy these. These are really, really nice. And that was all for today's video. I hope you all really enjoyed this video and enjoy the haul that I made. If you want to watch other such videos, do put your comments down in the comment section and tell me what more kind of videos would you want to watch. And yeah, we'll meet the next time. Bye.